The Justice Department spelled out its position in a 36-page filing. The explosive legal document revealed for the first time ever photo evidence of the highly classified documents it seized from Trump's Florida home, which appear to show Trump was in possession of intelligence materials derived from human sources. The snapshot, marked as a redacted FBI photograph of documents and classified cover sheets, was recovered from a container from the so-called 45 office used by the former president at his sprawling waterfront property, which, while protected by Secret Service, is not considered a secure location for classified material. The filing was in response to the Trump legal team's request for an independent attorney or special master to be appointed to review the evidence that the FBI had already obtained about 2 weeks earlier. The Justice Department forcefully pushed back against that idea, framing it as unnecessary and legally unsound, writing, "The former president lacks standing to seek judicial relief or oversight as to presidential records because those records do not belong to him." Former Justice Department official Harry Littman explains what's most striking about the DOJ filing.
The filing, besides making the very strong legal case, makes a pretty strong factual case and gives us new details that reveal that, far from being cooperative, Trump tried at every trick in the book to keep these documents from going back to where they belong, that is, the National Archives.
The Justice Department also sharply outlined a case of possible obstruction against Trump and his lawyers. The government developed evidence that government records were likely concealed and removed from the storage room, and that efforts were likely taken to obstruct the government's investigation, the filing asserts. And it raised questions about whether Trump and his team properly responded to demands ahead of the FBI search for documents to be found, secured, and returned. That the FBI, in a matter of hours, recovered twice as many documents with classification markings as the diligent search that the former president's counsel and other representatives had weeks to perform, calls into serious question the representations they made, the filing states. But Florida federal judge Eileen Cannon, a Trump appointee, will have the final word after Thursday's hearing.
The judge's order actually seemed to suggest she was seriously entertaining appointment of a special master, and DOJ really pushed back hard, and there was really no legal basis here at all to appoint a special master. So in a polite way, they're telling her, butt out.